London has also been hosting the Commonwealth Investment Network Summit, where policymakers, investors and entrepreneurs are exploring how these partnerships can translate into greater investment across Commonwealth economies. The initiative aims to connect capital with climate-focused businesses and projects, particularly in small island developing states, helping to unlock opportunities in areas such as renewable energy, sustainable agriculture and climate-resilient infrastructure.
This event is part of what we are holding as part of the Commonwealth Week, and it is the Commonwealth Investment Network. It's the showcase. It's an opportunity for us to demonstrate the value of Commonwealth in action, where we are providing active support to companies in some of our small states, where we have over the last 3 years, following the directive of the Commonwealth Trade Ministers in London, and through the endorsement of the Commonwealth Heads of Government at Samoa in 2024, and also then following through the ministers meeting again in Namibia just last year, to find a project that supports Commonwealth SMEs in driving investment into climate adaptation and climate sustainable infrastructure and sectors in our small states.
Climate finance remains a major challenge for small island developing states. We actually heard a very impassioned speech, didn't we, from one of the ministers who joined the panel. How can initiatives like CIN help mobilise capital, but not just with sound bites? You know, we hear a lot of sound bites, a lot of pictures, but actually tangible, hands-on, that gets down to the community.
Yeah, this project actually is about hands-on. This project is about the companies that are at the forefront of driving the change in their various countries. So we have companies here who are working in waste management, companies who are looking at how to green agriculture, companies who are using adaptable seedlings in their farms. And so this is not just the soundbite, this is the practical implementation of the support that if we come together as the Commonwealth, we can give to our countries, and we can more importantly use to support the SMEs in those countries.
Well, we applied last year, and I didn't really know what to expect of it. But I mean, so far the process, I'm working with this network, because I think that's the key so far. At least has been the network, all the mentoring we got to support our business development for our Grenadian startup. We're working on turning Stargas and seaweed into an opportunity for Grenada and the Caribbean. And how to structure that growth we're in right now, and also for raising the funds needed, and that's why we're here this week, so really excited for that. There's many representatives here from the different parts of the Caribbean, where this problem, the Stargaze and seaweed problem, is throughout the whole Caribbean. So we want to also identify partnerships with governments that want to make this into an opportunity. But also investors, of course. We're raising money right now for the Sargas 1 facility in Grenada. So I'm not expecting to get a check after this week, but just to, there's interest, and we have some dialogues after this with a couple, and then I'm very happy.
So actually a couple of months ago we've been awarded to participate in the CIN program, accelerator program. And it's been quite an intensive journey with them, and we had to meet lots of great mentor and coach. That was the main impact so far, because as I said in some of the presentation here, I'm an engineer by training, not really a business entrepreneur. And so developing the business, being a good engineer or being a good project manager is not enough. And this kind of accelerator program is a big chance for us to develop more our sense of entrepreneurship. So as I said, the coaching, mentoring with some high-level people helped us a lot, and it was great. And now here in London, it's like the end for us, and we're gonna pitch in front of investors and see what will come up. So it's a great opportunity for us. Yes.
It's a busy week in London. It's going to be busier for us next week, but it's busy. This is a nice soft landing for the state visit. Talk to me about the activities you've been involved in during Commonwealth Week and what you're doing here this morning today.
So it was important for me to be part of Commonwealth Week. I've attended Commonwealth Day and activities for a very long time. As you know, my background is diplomacy. I'm an ambassador. I worked here in the UK. and I used to handle the Commonwealth desk at a point. So I attended some of these things. I've kept linkages, and so it was wonderful to attend the Commonwealth Day service at Westminster Abbey, and also to attend the reception hosted at St. James's Palace by the King and the Secretary General of the Commonwealth. It's important because, you know, as First Lady, I represent the women, the youth, the children of Kwara State. Also, I'm the chairperson of the Nigeria Governor Spouses Forum, and you know, we work, all First Ladies, with women, our youth, a lot of our women, and you know, apart from the Abbey and the reception, today's Commonwealth Investment Network was so important for me to be at, because you know, we represent all these women that have small and medium scale enterprises and even micro scale enterprises. We represent them. We try our best to make sure we can get them linkages. We try our best to make sure that we can get them to even export and do all these things. So I'm here in that regard, and it's been really busy, but I'm really engaged, and I'm very happy also at Nigeria's interventions and Nigeria's participation.